रहा है दुनिया में हिंदुस्तान का नारा, चमक रहा है आसमान में तिरंगा हमारा. With this fanatical patriotic spirit, we the students of PIS Nashik celebrated 77th Independence Day. The program began with the hosting of the flag by our chief guest, Wing Commander, General Manager Mr. Wagle sir, our Principal Dr. Manohar Mahajan sir, Vice Principal Ms. Shofi Dave ma'am, and PJK Headmistress Ms. Jayanti Subramaniam ma'am. Auspicious task begins with the Prajwalan. The dignitaries commence with the lighting of the lamp and garlanding the portraits of Saraswati Ma, Gandhi Ji and B.R. Ambedkar. Our chief guest, Wing Commander, General Manager Mr. Wagle sir was welcomed by our Principal Dr. Manohar Mahajan sir and Vice Principal Ms. Shofi Dave ma'am. Dance is an art and an expression. The students of PIS Nashik express their love for their nation through the medium of dance. Is also to love and respect your country. Patriotism is the reason that we celebrate this day. Students performed a patriotic skit.
Miss Aarti Bhandari, Miss Sunila Patil.
Mr. Sunil Singh, he works in the Indian Army and is posted at Wagle, an army outpost on the Indo-Pak border between Amritsar and Lahore. Sir, can you share your experience of what patriotism means to you?
Anisha Shinde expressed her respect and compassion for the nation by delivering a powerful speech in English and reminding everyone of the duties that stand before us.
Britishers. Those difficult times and struggles will never fade from our memories. Hence, every Independence Day, we not only celebrate our freedom, but we also pay tribute to the ones who fought for it, to the ones who held a vision for our country.
Speech in Hindi was given by Vedant Vagmare for reminding us the importance of the auspicious day.
क्रांतिकारियों ने आजादी की लड़ाई लड़ी और अपनी जान न्यौछावर की. 74 वर्ष पहले 15 अगस्त 1947 को आज ही के दिन हमारे क्रांतिकारियों ने अपनी जान न्यौछावर की.
PIS Nashik made an initiative to felicitate the teachers who have completed 5 and 10 years of experience. Respected Principal Sir, Dr. Manohar Mahajan inspired students by his motivational speech.
It's a national festival for all of us. In fact, the festival began 13th of August onwards this year as well, and we are celebrating even this year. It's called Har Ghar Tiranga. Movement mission started in 13, 14 and 15.
It has a very simple connotation. Freedom means that I am free to do what I feel like. Now the next question that comes is, would you be allowed to do what you feel like to do?
Vote of thanks was given by our beloved Vice Principal Ms. Shofi Dave ma'am.
I feel honored and privileged to stand before you to propose the vote of thanks on the occasion of Independence Day of our beloved country, India.